Welcome to another reconstruction episode. Thank you for joining. Today we'll reconstruct seat 75408, the Phantom. First part, let's identify. It's a great set, really. Introduced in 2014 with the 234 pieces. Let's do our standard piece check. Let's build our bill of materials. Awesome. Ordering it by color makes the process very easy. Not as time consuming as you think it is, but it's great. Really like it, actually. This time I had really most of the pieces. I think about 95% of the pieces I had. The rest I just found them in my bag of all kinds of Lego pieces. Let's sit and enjoy the reconstruction.
Anyway, you see my pass. And if you hear this song, then go on, bend your back. Go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. With the DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me, ain't too militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. So they love how me whine and make true religion.
And there it is, the final set, all built and ready for the display. Let's enjoy that. I love how Ezra sits there. In the trunk I've left the helmet. I don't know why there's no place for the helmet. The droid sits in the compartment where you see the cannon. Thank you very much. Please click like and subscribe. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. See you next time.